Romanian sentence structure. Essential rules for beginners.
Structura propoziției în limba română. Reguli esențiale pentru începători.
Are you ready to unlock Romanian sentence structure? Good news, the basic order is just like English. Subject plus verb plus object. But here's the tricky part. Adjectives usually go in the wrong place. We're gonna fix that. In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn the 3 essential rules for building perfect Romanian sentences. Let's dive in. The word order in Romanian is generally similar to English, subject plus verb plus object, but the position of adjectives is a key difference. First, subject. Second, verb. And third, object. Just like English. Romanian uses the subject plus verb plus object, SVO structure. First, subject. Second, verb. And third, object.
Eu mănânc un măr.
I eat an apple. Adjective placement. This is the main difference. In Romanian, the adjective usually comes after the noun it modifies. Noun plus adjective.
O mașină roșie.
A car red. English equivalent, a red car. Exception, some common adjectives like
Bun. Nou.
may precede the noun.
Un bun prieten.
A good friend. Adverb placement, position of adverbs. Adverbs are typically placed after the verb, similar to many English constructions. Example,
Vorbește încet.
she speaks slowly. Example, compound tenses. The adverb is placed between the auxiliary verb and the main verb.
Am citit repede.
I read quickly. Congratulations! You've mastered the core of Romanian sentence building. Remember the simple formula: subject plus verb plus object. By using this SVO structure and always placing your adjectives after the noun, you can now construct hundreds of simple, correct sentences. Practice those new rules, keep building your vocabulary, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe.